Currently, it is about 3:30 in the afternoon on Thursday, December the 19th, 2019, and it's been a hot minute since I've uploaded last. I think about 4 or 5 days, which for me is a long time, so let me apologize for that. But to get you guys up to date, first off, I found that there was a video released by the YouTube creator channel. This was Susan, I believe the CEO herself, that said, vloggers, well, family vloggers, but vloggers in general are pretty safe from the new FTC guidelines.
I make videos that are safe for everyone to watch. I even call them family friendly. Does that mean my videos are made for kids? No. Just because a video may be safe or appropriate for everyone to watch does not mean that the video is necessarily made for kids. What's important is who you're trying to reach with your videos. According to the FTC, just because your video has bright colors or animated characters does not mean your content is automatically made for kids. Same for family vloggers. Some family vloggers make content for kids, while others target parents and adults.
So that is good news. That means I will not have to go dark first of next year. It's reassured me and let me know that should be okay. So guys, it's gonna be business as usual all the way through the new year into next year, so that's some good news. Also, guys, on Tuesday, there was a storm that came through that tried to pick up my tent and throw it.
Really wanting to grab my tent and throw it somewhere.
And then yesterday on Wednesday, there was a fight with a check engine light, which I first thought was a catalytic converter. Turned out to be a worn out O2 sensor. On the upstream line, total repair cost a little over $200. But that's done, and I put it in myself. Proud of myself on that one. Now, on to the content of today's video, which is going to be let the declutterification begin. I'm not proud of how cluttered and messy this place gets, but guys, it's 10 feet long, and I live in here year-round, so this is going to happen. And so I have to do a deep clean. Well, don't worry about Nestor. Nestor is outside in his kennel with his food, water, litter box, and then he's got his own little hideaway box over there. He seems to be doing fine. He's still going to whine about it and be a little pathetic. The chickens seem to want to mess with him a little bit. What do you think about the chickens, Nestor? The chickens and the rooster, of course. Okay, so onward. Let's start the montage. 3, 2, 1. And now, a moment of silence for one of the biggest tools of every bachelor pad, the microwave that served me well on the road for 2 years and then stopped working. It doesn't owe me anything anymore. Rest well, old friend. But luckily, guys, I was able to find a thrift store that was having a going out of business sale and got one that was bigger and better for only $10. It even fits nicely into the slot between the top of the shelf and the fridge and square with the corners of the fridge. It was a good find. And just like that, the declutterification is complete. It might not look much different to you, but trust me when I say it's cleaner, fresher in here. And look, I can move around a little bit. I can move around a little more. Nestor seems to be enjoying. Oh, there he is, coming inside. Seems to be enjoying the extra space and the being able to move around. And so, guys, if you have enjoyed this, found it at all satisfying to watch, please don't hesitate to indicate so by hitting... Oh, there he is. Hey, buddy. Hit that thumbs up like button. Leave some comments. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please subscribe. And make sure to turn on notifications by hitting... There he goes. Woo! Yeah, I got a shelf clear now, too. Hitting the bell icon, go over and select all. I'll turn on notifications for all my future updates. And look forward to seeing you in the next one.